Okay, so the graph of the function f of x equals ln of x is translated by a, b, the vector a, b, so that it passes through this point. At this point, find the values of a and b, right? So, firstly, if we translate this using by the vector a, b, what we end up with is y is equal to ln of x minus a, because the a is the horizontal translation of a, so that's my f of x minus a. That's how we do a horizontal translation, if you remember that lesson. If not, go back and watch it. And then the b is the vertical translation, so we just add b. So this is the new function with the translation. Straight away I'm thinking I have two things I need to find, a and b. He's given me 2 points, so essentially I'm just going to make 2 equations and solve them. Now, I'm not saying it's easy, but at least I know what direction to go. So first equation, I'm going to sub in this point. I'll sub in 1 and 0. So 1 for y and 0 for x. So 1 equals ln of 0 minus a, which is minus a, plus b. That's my first equation. My second equation is I'll sub this in. So y is 1 plus ln of 2. Y is 1 plus ln of 2, and x is e cubed. So this is equal to ln of e cubed minus a plus b. Okay, now essentially, well, I've had 2 equations with a and b in them. I can't use my calculator really here. I have to use a substitution. So I'm going to substitute, I'm going to find b and sub it into one of the equations, because b is on its own nicely here. So let's just make b the subject of this equation. So b is equal to 1 minus ln of minus a. That's just subtracting this. And then I'm going to sub this into here. So let's call, guys, sometimes it's nice to call this equation 1. And this is equation 2. And then I'm going to sub into 2. So I'm going to sub this into this. So I have 1 plus ln of 2 equals ln of e cubed minus a plus this, which is 1 minus ln of minus a. Okay, now the 1's cancel quite nicely. So these 1's cancel. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is ln of 2, and I'm going to combine these ln's, these logs here. So this is going to be ln of, it's this minus this, which is the same as e cubed minus a over minus a. That is because ln of a minus ln of b is equal to ln of a over b. That is a rule of logs. Okay, now I have ln of 2 equals to ln of this, so this thing has to equal 2, because ln of 2 equals ln of this bracket, so obviously this equals 2. So I have e cubed minus a over negative a equals 2. E cubed minus a equals minus 2a, multiply across by my a. Let me just go up to here. E cubed equals negative a, and then a is equal to negative e cubed. So that's the value of a. And then I need to find b. Well, b is equal to 1 minus ln of negative a. So it's negative e cubed, which is positive e cubed. And ln of e cubed is just 3. So it's 1 minus 3. That's a rule that you should know. If not, check out the formula booklet. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So I have A equals this. And let me change the color. This is A, and this is B. Okay, obviously that was a hard question, guys. Last question of the paper. But that's it. That is paper 1 done.